Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MateAI, Chatbot and Assistant app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MateAI is an AI-powered chatbot and personal assistant app designed to help users with daily communication, writing, brainstorming, and productivity tasks. From drafting emails and essays to answering questions, translating text, and generating creative content, MateAI provides quick and natural AI responses tailored to the user's needs. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering an intuitive interface that feels like chatting with a real human assistant. The app's main feature is its conversational intelligence. It adapts to your tone and context, making replies sound more natural and precise. Users can use it for studying, content creation, business communication, or even casual chatting. Some versions also include voice input and text-to-speech functionality, creating an interactive experience. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate MateAI's fast responses, clear understanding of context, and versatility across multiple tasks. It's particularly useful for students, professionals, and content creators who want AI support for writing and problem-solving. The interface is clean, minimal, and beginner-friendly, making it easy for anyone to use right away. However, there are some drawbacks. The free plan has limited chat credits, and some advanced features, like longer memory or access to newer AI models, are only available through a subscription. A few users also mention slower responses during high traffic times or occasional errors in complex queries. In summary, the MateAI app may be worth using if you're looking for a smart, easy-to-use AI assistant that improves productivity, creativity, and communication. However, if you need consistent long chats or premium features, upgrading to a paid plan may be necessary. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.